I'm all ready for you. Head's back on.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Now what are you going to do?
Keep doing.
Careful. Not so hard. Here. Let me help you. Maybe one's stuck.
Maybe we have to put this in.
Whoop, there it goes.
Maybe let's put that one back.
No, don't put that one back in. It's okay. I think that one was just stuck. Try again. Whoop. How many is that?
Two.
Two?
I could take two out of this one to a party.
He should poo on the potty, huh?
Yeah.
Um,
Like a dog.
like a dog?
Uh-huh. Maybe. I think he's so sorry. Peter.
You want to sing like computer?
So people star.
Twinkle star?
I don't see the
Are you putting them away?
Yeah. That's like this. Really?
Can you count as you put those in there?
Uh-uh.
Go 1.
No, you can't.
Oh. 2.
No, you can't.
3.
You can't what? You can't do that.
Don't get mad.
You must step out. Emma? How is Chelsea?
Whoop. I can help you. It just goes like that. Well, you still got to be careful. It could fall out. You going to save it? You going to save it for when you go poo on potty? Are you going to go poo on potty? Why not?
I'm not a big boy.
You're not a big boy.
What's out?
What kind of boy are you?
Tyler.
You're Tyler.
Here.
Are you my smoochy poo?
No, Tyler. I'm not here, Mom.
Are you Dancy Pants?
No, I'm just Tyler.
You're just Tyler. Don't get so mad.
What's here, Mama?
That's the dog.
Get here.
It's the dog and his jelly beans.
What? And she's
Yeah.
what's his name? What's his name? That's the water.